on, boys? Welcome back to yet another video. Right now I'm driving a U-Haul, so everyone tell DBP to watch out. But it's because I actually am moving out of my shop. Yes, I'm moving again, but we just landed. Let me see if I can bring up this phone somewhere. Seatbelt makes it look like I have some tits. So yeah, man, we just landed another shop, way bigger, like double the size for $200 extra more dollars. It's completely worth it in my opinion. We landed it, man. It's huge. It's nice. This is the shop. Like, I'm finally gonna be able to put a lift in there. Hopefully, you know, we get the lift in there and we can do the coyote swap ourselves. That's what I'm hoping for. But right now, we're going to the old shop. I'll show you guys what's left in there. It's really just my toolbox and my dad's Gen 2 engine. So we need to load that in there, that way we can take it to our new shop. And then we're gonna take delivery of my motor, my Gen 2 from BJ. So it's my first time gonna be able to see that motor, so I'm excited for that one. So I just wanted to bring you guys along for the road, show you the new shop. And I've been real busy, man, with the baby and everything like that. You know, she's growing like a weed, and I finally got the day off with my girl. She allowed me to come out here and do this while she's handling the baby at home. So if you're watching this, baby, I appreciate it. So yeah, man, we gotta get this shit done and then get back to the house. So I didn't have time to go get the camera or anything like that, so we just said, screw it, we'll come over here and we'll make an iPhone video today. Let me know how you guys like it. See you guys when we get to the old shop. There she is, man. This is the new shop, and this thing looks like a freaking warehouse, man. Super excited. And it's actually crazy that this wall is actually painted the same color that I painted the other shop. But yeah, man, we're all here. Nitrous setup is here. All my banners are laying out on the ground, getting ready to get hung. And as you guys can tell, Gen 2 Coyote. So yeah, this is actually my dad's motor. Came out of my brother's S550. You guys can tell, 60,000 miles, 6R80. This is gonna be going in my dad's Fox body. So this thing is gonna be a freaking riot, man. I wanna send a huge shout out to my boy BJ, man. Helping me load up my toolbox and helping me unload the engine. Well, load it up and unload it. So I appreciate it, man. Really, greatly appreciate it. Yeah, man, this is the new shop, and definitely, I'm getting a lift in here. So I already got it with the owner. We're good to go, man. And I'm pretty sure the coyote swap's gonna happen here, man. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too, man. I'm hustling, but it's time to take this U-Haul back, man, because I'm done for the day. Busting ass, man. I moved everything within 6 hours by myself. So yeah, I'm gonna head out of here, man. It's your boy, ReyesBuilt. See you guys on the next one. Peace out, man. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. A lot of stuff been going down in the background, and I apologize for not videoing, but I know I told you guys that my daughter was being born and it was gonna take a while. So she's here. Yeah, man, she's here. She came a little bit early. She was born 5 pounds 6 ounces, 19 inches long. She is now all the way up to 8 pounds. She's a handful, man. So yeah, it's been kind of tough to, you know, do anything around the shop, but fortunately enough, I have been getting some stuff done while I had some time to do so. Yeah, since you guys made it, I'm gonna give you guys a little insight on what's been going on. Shop is coming together, man. Got my dad's 302 here. If any of y'all are interested in this, supposedly a Jasper motor. You guys heard it on the channel. It runs great. Clean the injectors. Everything's good on it. Has the Fox body intake back there. It does have a new computer. You guys saw we sent it out to the ECU exchange. So it's refreshed, ready to go. It's a A9P computer. So harness, everything will come with it. We're asking 500 bucks, South Texas. So yeah, man, everything's coming together. The Mustang's engine, if you guys follow me on Instagram, if you don't, follow me on Instagram.
ReyesBuilt.
The Mustang engine has actually been bought. Some guy left a deposit down, and yeah, we're just waiting for him to get the rest of that money, and then we're gonna be pulling the engine, man. And coyote swap process is officially underway. I already have the motor. I have a bunch of stuff, man, and for what I sold the engine for, I don't know if I'm gonna disclose it now, but I'll disclose it whenever we do prices on the coyote swap coyote swap SN95. Whenever everything is done, I'm really not gonna be into this much, guys. For the coyote swap, I'm probably gonna come out of pocket $4 or $5 grand. So you can make money here and there, sling some parts around, and your coyote swap shouldn't cost you that much, man. So I did get some money for the engine, but that's only because, you know, the heads were brand new, pretty much. They were redone, new seals, valves, cams, everything like that. So Typhoon intake manifold, I sold him from the intake manifold, nitrous plate, cold air intake. I gave him everything that I'm not gonna use for the coyote swap. I gave him everything. So that's the reason why, who cares? I sold it for $3 grand. That's the reason why I got $3 grand for it. I don't think it's a bad deal. I think it's a bargain. I had a couple guys wanting to get the engine, so I guess some of you guys think it's a bargain as well. So yeah, that's just an update on the channel. The Jeep, the white Jeep I showed you guys before, this is my buddy's Jeep. He wrecked it. He wrecked it, so he has this pile of crap right there that we're using as a parts car. This is actually a 2-wheel drive Jeep. So he got a 4-wheel drive parts car, Dana 30 in the front, lunchbox locker, stuff like that. So my buddy's working on that one. But mine is actually, we just dropped it off at the paint shop down there in the valley as well. So it should be done around October. He said latest October. We might be getting it back September. I do have some bumpers getting built for that thing. So that thing's gonna be a hell of a daily driver, hell of a rig ride to go to the rig. These are the wheels and tires. I'm not sure if I showed you guys these. 31 1050s, 15x10s for the Jeep. These are the same things, 31s. And then my lift came in. I'll show you guys that whenever me and my uncle start installing it. 4.5-inch lift. I'm not gonna disclose brand names because I reached out to this company that I actually got this lift for. This is a pre-owned lift. Well, not pre-owned, but I bought it from a private seller and he gave me a hell of a deal on it. So the company I reached out to, they were kind of rude about it. They didn't even, you know, offer 10% or anything off. They were just like, nope, we don't do that. Sent me on my way pretty much. So no big deal. I'll take it on the chin and we'll keep on going. But no video for you. No free advertisements at all. So yeah, don't ask me what brand it is. It's a 4.5-inch lift for the Jeep, and it's gonna be badass, man. So yeah, that thing's gonna be getting done painted, lift, wheels and tires. This thing, I'm still trying to do this in the same process. The truck, the 6.0 diesel, that thing has been gone for a while. It's getting a whole rebuild. I'm not sure if I said that. I'll make a whole video in itself. It's getting heads, injectors, wiring harness, fuel system. It's getting to work. So I got a lot of money in that one tied up as well. So right now I'm kind of carless because I'm not driving the car. I promised that guy, if he put the money down, park the car over here, and whenever he's ready to pull it, take it to my uncle's shop, get that thing removed. So I'm driving my girl's car right now, the 4Runner. Right now I'm carless, so no big deal. Just want to let you guys know, man, I'm still working in the background, still getting a lot of stuff done. The shop has pretty much came together. I am enjoying it here. It's a lot bigger than my old one. The only thing that sucks is these are the only doors right here, and not a lot of air comes through, man. If the air is blowing that way, we're screwed in here. So I need all the help I can get with fans. I'm already thinking about cutting something open over here because it is just hot in here, man. There's not a breeze, nothing. So yeah, but besides that, man, I'm loving it here. Neighbors are cool. You know, I haven't had any issues with break-ins or anything like that, man. Everything's been great. Yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update, man. I appreciate you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on the post notifications whenever I start uploading, because whenever this starts going down, videos are gonna be flying, man. And I'm trying to get back on a schedule, but it's kind of hard to do so when there's no vehicle here. So I should get my truck back. We'll start filming a couple videos on the truck, see if we can bring in some diesel guys. Couple videos on that. The Jeep will be done, so we'll do a couple videos on that. Once those are both done, which the truck is done, I'm not putting any more money into that thing. If I got to put any more money, it's getting gone. I'm selling that thing. I'll buy a half-ton F-150 Coyote powered or something like that, because I'm not dropping another dime into that truck. So yeah, that'll be done. The Jeep will be done. Those two done. I'm not putting a single dime into those anymore. And full heads up on that one, man. We're going all the way in. So the reason I put this one on the back burner is because this one's a toy, guys. You guys gotta understand that this isn't the money maker. You know, it's the money maker for the YouTube channel, but it's not the money maker. YouTube ain't paying me enough to put all my other vehicles on hold. The reason I got the Jeep, the reason I got the F-250 is to get me to work, to make those checks so I could be able to work on this. So that's my thought process around it. That's my thought process on dumping so much money into these older vehicles. I could have bought a brand new truck with how much money I got into my blue truck now, the 6.0. I could have bought a brand new truck for the price that I did, but trying to be financially responsible and trying not to have a car payment, trying to save all my money. So that's my thought process around it. Agree to disagree, it's whatever. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. We'll see you guys on the next time. It's your boy, I almost said 4.6 Chris, ReyesBuilt. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. Appreciate it.